How to start an LLC. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can form an LLC. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now I'm over here on this website called Inkfile or INC file, or I think it's Inkfile as well. So inkfile.com. So over here I'm on their website, and over here we can go ahead and start to create an LLC. So it's pretty simple, right? Scroll down below and you will see free LLC filing plus state free. So over here, scroll down below, you will see the entity type, state of formation, and all of that, right? You can even create an account over here, but before we do that, we can just simply go ahead and file it over here. So let's go ahead and select the entity type. So we're going to be choosing an LLC, and then which state is it in formation, right? So you can choose whichever one you want, Minnesota, whatever. So of course I don't live in Minnesota. I'm just showing you how it works, right? Okay, so we're gonna choose Seattle now. Where is it? South Carolina. It's not here. Maybe is it Dallas? Illinois. It's actually okay. So we're gonna choose New York, and then we're gonna click on Form My LLC for free. This will again. So all right. So over here, as you can see, it's pretty simple. So over here, you can choose which type of you want, like specific state. So over here you have one time transparent payment. So in this one, you will be included preparing and filing the article of organization, unlimited name searches, and free registered agent service for a year. And if you go with the gold package, it's going to be $354. It's going to be a one-time transfer fee. All right, the package fee is going to be $149, and the state fee is going to be $200. And it's going to be preparing and filing the article for organization, IRS, EIN, business tax, free registered agent, business tax consultants. Like, you get a bunch of these features. So I'm not going to go ahead and say each and every single one by one. You can just simply go ahead and pause this video right here and view it and see what it is, or you can come over to the website however you want. So I'm assuming that you have already read that. Then all you just got to do is just simply choose which you want. And also location also depends on it. So if I go with Alabama, I'm pretty sure, as you can see, the prices have changed. State fee is now $239. Before it was, I think, to something. Let's go with California. As you can see, state fee is $75. So prices changed as well. So silver is now $75. Platinum and gold prices have been changed as well. As you can see, Colorado will have a different one, $50, even cheaper. And Connecticut over here, 120. As you can see, it's different. For Idaho, it's 100. And for each different cities, it's going to be a different fee. So Iowa is $50 as well. You can go with this website if you want, but there is another one as well. Another website is called Taylor Brand. So over here you can also create and launch your own business and form an LLC. So over here at the top you will see a bunch of different options. Just simply click on Form an LLC over here, and over here you just get to choose your state, right? Again, we're going to choose a state. So let's go ahead and choose California and click on Get Started, and then we can move on. So next, over here, register your business as an LLC. So what is your business name? You can enter in your business names as well, so you can check your availability. We're gonna go with When Media and see if that is available. Checking for availability. Yeah, it is available. We're going to click on done. And as you can see, your business name is currently available, When Media LLC entity, and it's going to be available in the state of California formation. We're going to click on next. And then over here, what will When Media be offering? Physical good, services, leisure and hospitality, original content, or technology. So basically, let's go ahead and say original content, self-made content like blogging, gaming stream, YouTube videos, or stuff like that. We're going to click on next, wait for it to load up, and once it's loaded up, we are good to go. At what stage is When Media? So over here, getting ready to launch, just an idea, already in business. So you can choose whichever one you want. Let's just say it's already in business. And then how many members will When Media have? Me, one, just me, more than one, or not sure yet. We'll go with that because we're not sure yet. And then how did you discover tailored brands? You can go with the YouTube or any other option that you feel like it, and then enter in your first name, your last name, your phone number, and your email address. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill it out, and I'll catch you guys in a second. And then choose your LLC suffix. So, or it can be one media L.L.C or limited liability company, limited liability co, Ltd liability co, whatever. So we're going to choose the simple LLC and then click on next. And then they're going to review everything that you tell them, and then they're going to give you a price for that LLC. So just simply wait for it to load up and you should be good to go. So as you can see over here, get a registration agent. If you want to get a registration agent, you can, but no, I'll find one myself, and then click on next. And are you sure? Yes. File for an employer ID number, EIN. No, I trust myself to do it. Yes. We're gonna choose no. All of these, no. You can go with any one, but it all depends on you, right? No. And then you should be good to go. And then depending upon your answers, right? Let me just go ahead and sign in into it. All right, so as you can see, depending upon your answers, they're going to give you your amount of money that you will have to, pay. So over here, as you can see, the total is going to be 124. California state fee, it's 75 over here, and we don't have anything. So 75 plus 49 is going to be the fee that, Taylor Brand's going to charge you for. So a total of 124. And over here, how much was it? Let's go ahead and see on California. There we go. So over here, as you can see, for a silver pack with just, nothing much, it's going to be, the state fee is going to be $75. That's the only amount you will have to pay. But if you choose the gold one and, the platinum one, where they give you the package fee and the state fee, then it's a different price, so 224, whereas over here it's 124. So for the 124, yeah, so it's going to include priority support, name availability search, and LLC filing. So it's going to file for you. So total is going to be 49, but depending upon what type of options you selected, like, operation agent, expediting filing, employee ID number, registered agent, all of that, the total is going to be 124 depending upon which option you choose. So if we select all of these, let's say, how much do we get? So a total is going to be $401 if you get all of these. And over here, I think you get all of that as well, but a bunch of other options as well, and the total is going to be $474. So over here it's 401 and it's 374. So basically that's like $25, I believe, more expensive than over here where it says ink file. So on ink file, it's going to be, the full option is going to be $25 cheaper. And over here on Taylor Brand, it's going to be $25 more. But it all depends on you, as I said before. So pretty much that is it. That is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.